You are welcome to Oyeflomo Online Maths. Today we are going to look at another exciting topic on inverse proportion. All right. Now there are things that I'm going to give you when it comes to inverse proportion. Please take note of all these hints I'm going to give you. Please, it's very, very important. Okay. Now, for instance, when you are given a question, for you to know that a question is an inverse proportion, how are you going to know when a question is an inverse proportion? What do you do? Now, all right. Now, for instance, when you are comparing speed and time, so this is a typical example of an inverse proportion. And also, when you are comparing number of men or workers, anyone, number of what? Men or workers, and time too. Remember, time can be in days. It's still time, because you can know that 24 hours is equal to 1 day. It's still time. Okay. Now, when you have this kind of, whenever you see this kind of question under proportion, it will tell you more of it. Will now be, you'll be able to know that this kind of word, hence here, is more of inverse proportion. It's more of inverse proportion. Now, because it will serve as a guide for us here, so that we'll be able to know how we can carry out this program we have here before us. Now, let us look at the question now. The question says, if 35 men can reap a field in 8 days, in how many days can 20 men reap the same field? Now, how are you going to do this kind of question? It's very, very simple. Please take your time, understand the question, and there is hint I'm going to use for you, so that whenever you come across it, even when you come across direct word proportion, you will just solve without wasting much time. When you come across word inverse, you will still solve it without wasting much of your time. Now, what are you going to do now? If I reap a field, in how many days can 20 men reap the same? So solution now, look at what I will do now. So I will now compare 35 men and 20 men. So 35 men is equal to, can do the work in how many days? 80 days. So 20 men is equal to unknown. And since it is an inverse proportion, so you don't need to cross multiply. Look at how you are going to, you do it the word zigzag. How do you say it? Inverse. Zigzag form. It will help you a lot. So zigzag form means, for me, that's my own word trick for that inverse proportion. All you need to do is just work. You will just do 35 times 8 divided by 2. But if it is what? A direct proportion, you will just cross multiply this times this divided by this. To be this times by this. This is the word inverse. To be this times this. To be 35 times 8 all over 20. 7. 5 into 20. 4 here. 4 into 8 is 2. 7 times 2 is 40 days. That is, if you really enjoy what you have watched, please kindly follow me on my page. Please don't only watch, learn, and as well, share this exciting video to your friends and your loved ones. Have a wonderful day. Bye.